You're getting it worse. If you can see here, I've got some shiny around through there. That is where the seal was. It popped right out. This is the old seal right here, and it was walking out was the problem. There's a reason that wasn't sealing. So I have got some sealant. We're going to smear that on the outside of the new seal and put it in. That's okay. So I'll get rid of that. I'm just going to grab right a hold of the sealant and set it over the... Okay, now we'll get that off my fingers. Okay, now I've got this. I'm going to set it up on the inside there. We're going to use it to kind of press it in. I think we might have pressed that one side in a little too far. You're getting it worse. Yeah, well, it's in too far on this side.
Oh, it is?
Yeah, it is. And I don't know how you get that back out without damaging the seal. It just is what it is now. It's going to leak.
Now it's time to take it back out.
How? Without damaging the seal.
I can get it.
Okay, so right now we've got everything back on there. I torqued the flywheel bolts down to 48 foot-pounds. Also torqued the shaft bolts down to 48 foot-pounds because that's what they call for. And we're not going to run the mower right now. I'm actually also waiting. I've got a set of belts coming because I can't put those two belts back on there. That's asking for trouble. And I got the electric clutch on there that came from FridayParts.com. Well, so I went today and picked up a couple of new belts. So we're gonna put those on. Okay, so I've got my tensioners backed all the way out so I can move that pulley. So I'll slip this down in here and go around the electrical connection and the piece on the clutch that hooks to the cable. And I'm gonna pull that back around there. I'm gonna slip the other one down in there, and I'm gonna go ahead and throw the cable through there. All the way up to the end of the all thread. Okay. Get too tight. I wanna make sure I don't have any slippage. That should, oh, that's plenty tight. Plenty tight. Okay, that's tight. All right, now, we'll reposition and get to where you guys can see what I got hooked up in there. Here's your electrical connector. We'll go ahead and plug that in. It goes right here, and what it also does, it's got a little clip on it that holds this. And so the whole purpose of this cable here is to hold the PTO okay. And the other day I loosened this one up because I was going to take it completely off there, and then I thought, well, I don't have to. So let's tighten this one back up. Okay, that's done. So the belts are on there, they're good and snug. That's tight again, this is on, we tightened that. We've replaced the rear main seal back behind the flywheel there. So I guess the only thing to do now is start it up and see if it leaks any oil and see if the new electric clutch works.